Need to remove Windsurf Ai from your device? Let's delete it in just few taps. First, find Windsurf Ai app on your device. Once you have found it, right-click it. Here you can see many options. Find the delete option. Tap on it and confirm. Your device may ask for some permissions. Follow the on-screen instructions and restart your computer if needed. If uninstalling fails, restart your device and try again. Why are you deleting Windsurf Ai? Let us know in the comments. And that's it. Windsurf Ai is now removed from your device. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.